welcome back to my channel. I got asked if I could do a what I got for Christmas video. Makeup wise, I didn't get loads. I got a few things. The first main one that I got was the Hello Kitty Colourpop collection, which is in here. I'm not going to go into detail about that one because I have actually just filmed a video with that whole collection, so that's getting a video on its own. So two items that I got for Christmas were the Urban Decay Stone Palette and the Urban Decay MoonDust Palette. I'm going to start with the MoonDust Palette because I'm going to try swatch them as much as I can. This is what the back of this looks like. The palette is a plastic, but it is quite nice. And this is what it looks like on the inside. As you can see, this palette is mainly glitter based shades. So this is an ideal palette to use with other looks to add a bit of glitter to your eyes. So these are the swatches off the bottom row. So we have got Galaxy, Vega, Lithium and Granite. So for the top row, this is what it looks like. You've got Lightyear, Magnetic, Element, and then Spectre. I would say these glitter shades are very pigmented for glitter and they look amazing. From swatching them with a finger, I'm under the impression that these are going to be best applied with a finger rather than a brush, because I think the brush isn't going to get you the full impact that the finger would, if that makes sense. So that is that palette, short and sweet. But yeah, I do like the palette itself because it is like black glitter loveliness. It's like they've covered it with the Granite shade, which is again like a black glittery shade, but this I can't wait to use. So this is the stone box. You have got a lovely holographic image there, and then on the back it shows you the shades, and you do get a brush in this palette. Now off the bat I have got a random blue stain here. I don't know if you can see it. Now I don't know whether that is its eyeshadow because that just wiped straight off, so that is concerning as to where that's from, but the palette itself is gorgeous. I think I know what shade that blue was from, and I think it is this blue here. As you can see, you have mainly got glitter based shades and then a few neutral shades, and the neutral shades are all matte. Now with this palette, I feel like you can use any of the matte shades with any of the glitter shades. I'm going to show you the matte shades first. So here we've got Third Eye, Hext, Good Karma, which is a very pale cream colour, which on my skin tone you can't very much see because I'm very pale, and then Antidote, which is this here. Again, I have only done a one swipe thing to see how they act as that. They do feel very soft and nice on the finger, so I can imagine they're going to look lovely on the eye. I'm now going to do the top row of glitters. I think that this eyeshadow palette is a new type of glitter shade. It is more what it says on the box, stone vibed, and if you do look at it, it is different to what you see in most glitter shades. It is very unique. So I'm going to just swatch the top row. So this is what they look like, again with just one sweep of the finger. So we've got Jade, Opal Aura, Tiger's Eye and Vibes. And as you can see, they are very pigmented, even with one swipe of the finger. And then the bottom row is more of the darker toned glitter shades, which is this lot. In the bottom row, some of these shades have actually just thrown me a bit. So we've got Bloodstone, which as you can see if you move it in the light has green flecks of glitter in it. Ojo, which is a very deep blue. And then you've got Raw Energy, which in the pan looks more purple, but then on the skin it's like it'd be perfect for a highlight shade basically. And then Meditate is this one at the end. Now for Bloodstone, which is this one, this brown with green flecks in, when you look at it, it doesn't look like that in the pan itself. It's this one here. Now to me, you can see more of the green on the camera, so I wasn't expecting it to come out as a brown. And this is the one that has turned out more like a highlighter and has less of the purple but more of the silver in, which did throw me, but from just one sweep of these colours, especially the Bloodstone one and the Oja one, these are stunning colours. I would recommend this palette just for the glitter shades that are in there. They'd be perfect for the centre of the eye. Like I said, Raw Energy or Opal Aura would be perfect for highlights as well. It is an altogether very versatile palette, and you do, like I say, get a little brush with it as well. So I'd say this side of the brush is probably for packing on the glitter, and then this side would be more for blending out the shadows. Now the next thing that I got for Christmas, I actually bought myself for Christmas, and it's more of a Halloween set than it is anything else. And it is actually the first time I've got anything from this brand. This is actually the first time I've got anything from this brand. Like I said, it is something more Halloween-y, and it is the Revolution Halloween Nightmare Before Christmas, the Jack one, and I also got the highlighter as well. I'll start with the highlighter, and it says on the back here, Moonlight, Mischief, and Magnus, and it has got Jack printed on it. It has the saying there. It is quite a nice design itself. It's not what I expected for a highlighter. I have actually used this in the look that I've got now, but I am actually going to do a video for these products on their own because, like I said, I haven't tried them fully before. So what surprised me about this palette, images online, they only showed one side, but it's actually a two-sided palette. And as you can see, I've still got the protective film on it, and they actually stick their protective films down, which I found odd. But if you look at the pans themselves, I don't know if you can see them properly with the protective shield on it, but they've got Jack imprinted on there as well. The other palette is the Sally one, so if you were to get the set, you get the Jack and the Sally ones. There is a very wide variety of colours in here. You've got all your neutrals, which are perfect for you every day, and if you want to be bold and colourful, you've got that too. It does have a very wide variety of both matte shades and shimmer shades. Again, like I said, I am going to be doing a separate video for this in the future because I want to give it its own moment as well. I might also do a video with this stone palette as well because I do want to try that out. And apart from that, Christmas wise, I get money off family because I am saving up to go to Japan in the future. And then I get little knick-knacky things, and yeah, that's about it really. It's a very short and sweet video, but yeah, please like and subscribe. Let me know what you guys got for Christmas. I'd love to know. If you got any new makeup that you haven't tried yet, let me know. I'd love to hear what you got, what you recommend as well. So please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. It does help. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.